In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and record a rental income transaction using a bank deposit. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser, and for this video, we recommend using Google Chrome as it tends to work very well with QuickBooks Online. In the address bar, type in quickbooksintuit.com. This will take you to the QuickBooks Online homepage where you'll want to sign in. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a dashboard with various financial tools ready for your use. Now let's proceed to the task at hand, which is recording your rental income. What you need to do first is head over to the left-hand menu. You'll see a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Bank Deposit. This is where we'll be entering the payment details for the rental income you've received. Once you're on the bank deposit page, you'll need to select the bank account where the rental payment was received. It's crucial to choose the correct account to ensure your records are accurate and up to date. Moving on, now we need to enter the income details. You will see a field labeled Received From. This is where you'll select the tenant or customer who made the payment. If this is a new transaction from a different tenant, you can simply add them by typing in their name and clicking Add. Next, you'll come across the Account field. Here you should select Rental Income. If you don't already have an account with this name set up, you can create one. It's a simple process that involves selecting Add New and entering Rental Income as the name of the new income account. This categorization will help you keep your records organized and clear. After setting the account, the next step is to enter the payment method. Give a few options here, such as CAD, or bank transfer. Choose the option that corresponds with how you receive the payment. Then comes the amount field, which is where you'll enter the exact amount that was received from your tenants. Optionally, you can add a memo if there's any specific note or detail you want to remember about this transaction. This step is, of course, optional but helpful for adding personal notes. Once you've double-checked all the details and ensured everything is correct, it's time to save the transaction. At the bottom of the page, you'll find two options: Save and Close if you're done with this entry, or Save and New if you have multiple payments to enter. Select the one that fits your needs, and that's it. You've successfully logged and recorded rental income in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your income records accurate ensures you have a clear picture of your financial standing. So well done on taking this crucial step. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.